Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SOHINI Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share my PR unboxing. Now there are few packages I have received and I couldn't wait more. So I think there are 5 to 6 packages and I have already unboxed them. I'm just going to show it to you guys. So I'm super excited, and if you guys want to know what are the products I have got, what are the new launches and everything, then please keep on watching. Also, before jumping into the PR unboxing, I'm back with my curly hair. It feels very good, but yeah, it will take few more attempt to get that perfect curls, but I still like it. It definitely looks like beach waves, which I love. Anyway, let's start with the first unboxing, and the first thing is eyelashes. Of course, oh my god, these are from Mink Lashes. So last time I definitely did purchase it from them and I was totally like blown away and I kept on using it still now. Let me just quickly show you the bigger one which I use. This is the first one I got and I'm actually wearing one of it right now. It's very simple and very light, I would say. So recently they also launched few more lashes, I mean variants, and they were kind enough to send me. So I've got this. Let me just show you up close. Next up is this. These are very light and very wispy kind of lashes. Then these are more gorgeous one, as you can see, and these are the bigger and gorgeous one. You know what, I'm just going to leave their Instagram page link down below. They don't have any website or anything. You have to just DM them, ask them about the price, the variant you want, I mean the style you want, and that's it. They are going to ship it to you. I really like the quality. So as I said before, these are very lightweight and I would highly recommend them. Next up, I have received something from Just Herbs. This is their new launch. This is the Castor Plus Black Onion Seed Shampoo and this is the conditioner. They also have launched their hair mask. Now I've tried Just Herbs hair mask before. I really like it, but you know what, I actually tried the shampoo today and it feels so good. I mean, it cleaned my scalp really nicely. It didn't make my hair super dry. Definitely I will be doing an updated review of this shampoo and the mask and also the conditioner, of course, so stay tuned for that. Also guys, you can notice that I'm actually having little difficulty to talk. Is just because I have got cold and cough, and that is something which is bothering me, and मैं ना थक जाती हूँ थोड़ा बात करते ही, and also my hand shivers a lot these days. I don't know why, but yeah, आज भी मैं जैसे unboxing कर रही थी जब इंस्टा पे, my hands were shaking and all of that. I got so scared, but it's fine. I'm little sick, but yeah, I'm loving this. Alright, next I've received something from Aroma Magic as well. Now let me just quickly go through all the products I have received. So the first thing I can see is the honey and shea butter body lotion. This is the product. As you can see, I'm super excited to try them. I think I will be trying this in a separate video. So the next thing I've received is their oil-free moisturizer for oily skin. The next one is their mint cleanser, deep cleanses and refreshes your skin. Next I have received their fairy skin oil. I guess this is their face oil. I'm yet to try all of this, you guys. The next thing I've received is their jasmine blossom body wash. This can be used for hair, face and body. The last product I have received is their reviving oxygen pack. This is restores and brightens overnight leave-on pack. Okay, this is the packaging. Oh wow, love this color, you guys. Okay, so this is the product. I'm super excited to try. I'm gonna start trying it from tomorrow, and there will be a review for you guys very soon. Alright, next up I have received something from Tan Beauty. Now Tan Beauty launched their eyeshadow palette in 2020 and they did send me यार इसको क्या हुआ. Anyway, so they did send me their eyeshadow palette. Till now I love that palette. I mean, I still have that palette in my vanity and it has such gorgeous shades, brighter colors, neutrals and also smoky eye colors. I really like the palette, but recently they have launched their brush set. Now, not brush set, there are brushes. I think they are available individually as well. Anyway, so these are the 5 brushes they have launched, and oh my god, the quality is so good. Yes, I have used it today to create this look for Instagram, but if you guys are interested, I am going to upload it as my shorts on YouTube. Okay, do let me know. And yeah, so these are the brushes. It's very soft, you guys, very soft. And this one, this is number 2. It's the softest amongst all. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, so I have used this one, the bigger one, number 1, for my foundation and concealer. For my powder and highlighter, I have used number 3. I've used number 2 for my bronzer and also for my blush. And for my eye makeup, I've used number 4 to blend out the cream product as well as powder product to see if it works or not. And this one is a very unique brush. You can use it to smudge. You can apply your liner with it. And I've used this to smudge my liner, which worked pretty well. So I would definitely recommend these brushes, you guys. But if you still want to see how it works on my skin, then stay tuned. I'm definitely going to upload the shots very soon. Next, I have something from Cups and Lashes. So let's see. Okay, so here are all the products I have received. Okay, so they recently launched their Perfect Finish press powders. I've received 2 shades. So this is the outer packaging, as you can see. And when you open this, there's this puff, and this is the powder. Next, they have launched their serum primer and also primer oil. Let's try them. Okay, so I'm gonna try the serum primer first. Wow. Okay, it feels very smooth and light. Let's try the primer oil. I'm going to take a little bit of this. Again, very lightweight, you guys. Me personally, I love serum primers. They work pretty well for my skin. Now, they also have launched this Cups and Lashes Glossy Lip. This is a clear lip gloss. And then they have launched 3 new brushes. Here are they. This is Cups and Lashes F023. This brush can be used for highlighter. Next is F026. It can be used for contour, nose contour. And lastly is F015. Can be used for contouring, or, you know, yeah, you can pack your powder underneath your eyes as well. Moving on, I have this Plum Goodness package right here. Let's see what else I have received here. Alright, so the first thing I see is their Plum Tea Tree Scalp Serum. This is for dandruff. The next one I have received is their eye cream. It has vitamin C, peptide and caffeine. Super excited for this. Now this is their Body Loving Pit Cream, and they have sent this. It's a deodorant cream, by the way. It is Hawaii Rumba. Oh, it smells very good. Next I have received the Plum Color Affair with avocado oil. This is their new nail paints. The color I've received is Black Currant. Now lastly, I have received their Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick. The shade I received is Raspberry Rush. I already have this, so I'm gonna give this to somebody else. Coming to the last package, I have something from FOREVER52. So these are their new launches, cover concealers and also loose powders. This is the packaging, as you can see. I love the PR packaging. Thank you FOREVER52 for sending this across. And here are the concealers, as you can see. At the back they have written concealers. Love, love, love the packaging. Then they have sent out 2 translucent powder. This is the white translucent powder and this is 09. And lastly, I've received two-way cake from FOREVER52. This is number 18 beige and this is golden sand. Let me show you the product. So those were the products I have received from all the brands. Thank you so much for sending this across. I love them. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Now if you still want to check it out, I'm gonna mention the product details down in the description box below. So do not forget to check it out. And thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care and I love you all. Bye bye.